Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology designed to unlock the underwater world. The 5-thruster mini underwater drone. This compact device, measuring in at 8.9 by 3.5 by 15 inches, is built for portability, making it easy to transport to your favorite lake, river, or ocean spot. One of the standout features of this drone is its camera system. It's equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera, promising truly breathtaking underwater footage. Imagine capturing the vibrant colors of marine life or the intricate details of submerged structures with stunning clarity. This isn't just about seeing, it's about documenting your underwater adventures in high definition. Connectivity is handled via a robust 100-meter tether. This extensive length allows for significant exploration depths, far beyond what you could typically reach with snorkeling or even basic diving. The tether provides a reliable link for both control and data transmission, ensuring you maintain command and receive that high-quality video feed, even when the drone is deep below the surface. Maneuverability is key for navigating complex underwater environments, and this drone addresses that with its 5-thruster configuration. Unlike simpler models, the inclusion of 5 thrusters provides superior control, allowing for precise movements in multiple directions and enhanced stability, even in currents. This means you can position the camera exactly where you want it to get the perfect shot or explore tight spaces with confidence. Operating the drone is designed to be straightforward thanks to its easy-to-use wireless controller. This intuitive interface removes complexity, allowing users to focus on exploration and filming rather than struggling with controls. The package includes everything needed to get started: the drone itself, the remote control, necessary screws, the battery, and the camera system. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. The extended battery life means more time spent discovering the underwater landscape and less time worrying about needing to recharge. This is crucial for making the most of your time on the water. The drone comes in a distinctive yellow color, which can aid visibility both above and below the surface. Manufactured by Selvia, this generic branded drone aims to provide a powerful and accessible tool for underwater enthusiasts looking to capture stunning visuals and explore depths previously out of reach. Its combination of a high-resolution camera, deep diving capability, and advanced maneuverability makes it a compelling option for anyone serious about underwater videography and exploration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.